Good evening, everybody. It's me again, Sunita. Time for another tutorial. And this time it's going to be the Hereby mantra from Deva Premal, requested from Brazil, from Castanha da Mata. So, let's see which chords we need for Hereby. It's going to be a little bit more challenging than the other tutorials because we have some B flat here in this Hereby mantra and B flat major 7. But I'm sure you will make it. You all going to play this beautiful mantra. So, D minor is inside. We have the C. Here it comes, the B major 7. It's like 3 fingers like this. Then we have, let me see, the F chord and the B flat. You can bar here the first 2 strings. Then you put your middle finger here on the C and on the G, the ring finger. If you don't bar really good, then you get this sound that I just had. This is better. This is the B flat. Then we have the A minor and the A7. So I'm going to play this mantra for you in down strum first, and later on in island strum. So yeah, listen and enjoy. I recognize that the chords of the Hereby mantra are a little bit low for my voice, but I'm going to give it a try. So let's do the down strum and island strum. Enjoy! Hereby NITA Ochun. Hereby NITA Ochun. Hereby NITA OCHA KINIBA NITA Ochun. CHEKE, CHEKE, CHEKE NITA Hereby NITA Ochun. Hereby NITA Ochun. NITA OCHA KINIBA NITA Ochun. CHEKE, CHEKE, CHEKE NITA Let's see how we play the Hereby in the next clips. I'm going to show you the down strum version and the island strum. I don't know if you hear the sound in the background, but Mitchie is drinking from his water bowl, so yes, I'm sorry for all the noises. Anyway, sometimes it's just as it is, you know. In India they would say what to do. Mitchie is a really special dog. He loves mantras, and every time when I'm playing or making a tutorial, he's really relaxed. So this is Mitchie. He was drinking from his water bowl, and yeah, he enjoys the mantras as well. Okay, let's look at the down strum. I'm going to play it really slow for you, and you start in position D minor. First we're going to strum 4 times to get the intro, and then I start singing. Hereby NITA Ochun on C. Hereby B flat major 7. It's a whole mouthful. D minor. Hereby NITA Ochun on C. B flat major 7. Ida, weda, NITA, ya. You stay in this. OCHA, KINIBA, NITA, Ochun on C, CHEKE on F, CHEKE, CHE, B flat, KE, NITA, ya on C, Ida, A minor, where, re on A7. So, Island Strum, get in D minor. I'm first going to start the intro and then I'm going to sing and play it really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ida, weda, NITA, Ochun on C. Ida, weda, on B flat major 7. To D minor, Ida, weda, NITA, Ochun on C. Ida, weda, NITA, ya, OCHA, KINIBA, NITA, Ochun on C. CHEKE on F, CHEKE, CHEKE on B flat, NITA, ya on C. Thank you guys. Namaste. Thanks for watching. And I hope to see you next time again. Much love.